Genesis 38 detours away from Egypt into shadowed family rooms. The story slows for uncomfortable truths where sin and survival tangle in ways that resist easy judgment. A son of promise stumbles through grief and guilt. A daughter-in-law waits for justice denied, and disguise becomes the only path to what was owed. The chapter refuses neatness, lingering on deception, on a pledge kept and recognized, on righteousness spoken by the guilty party. Yet a strange flicker of truth breaks through. Twins born from scandal, a line preserved through cunning, reminding us that God keeps threading purpose even through chapters we would rather whisper past, weaving redemption from the most unlikely threads.